Whenever you are speaking, what I suggest, you try to speak little slower so you can match the speed with your thoughts. What I can see, you have a thoughts, you want to convey a lot of things, but you are not able because the words are not coming to your mouth, coming to your tongue. That is what I feel, because you are trying to say you have a lot of things in your head. So yeah, hi Sonam.
Hello.
So can you tell me something about yourself? Give me a small introduction of yours.
Okay, my name is Sonam and I live in Mumbai. And presently, I'm doing a job as an account assistant in a pharmaceutical company.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great.
Yes.
Okay, that's all. That is great.
Yes.
So you and I have, in the same field, I can say. I am also into accounts. My name is Imtiaz and I am from Hyderabad. I have been
Okay.
working for a startup company as a senior accountant from last 7 months. Before that, I have worked for two more companies here in Hyderabad, and I have worked in Dubai for 2 years. Apart from that, I have been learning this language from more than 5 years, and I love to interact with people and I love to help other people in their journey of learning this language. So
Okay.
I want to know from you, when did you feel like you want to improve this language? What made you to start learning this
Okay,
language?
because actually, I have now I'm doing my MBA also. I'm doing
Mm-hmm.
MBA mass study, and after my completed my MBA, I want to do a job in a big firm company. So there is a require a good command in English. I can say is very I'm very fluent in English, so that they can be prefer me to join the job in that company. So my English is not that much good. That is why I was thinking I just improve my communication skill in English. That is
So you meant to say that if you become good fluent speaker, people like pharmaceutical company, HRs will prefer you, will consider you. Yeah, English has become a thing of our life, whether you accept it or not. Every part in your life, when you are interacting with anyone, either it is from official or
yes,
non-official, you have a good command over this language, you will feel superior, you will feel confident when you are interacting with someone. So that is
yes.
the need. Okay, so what else, like how are you working? I mean, whether you are working from office or working from home.
No, no, I'm going daily my office.
Okay, so you are working from office. So how it is feeling working
It's
from
good.
office?
It's
That's
good
it.
because
Okay.
it's not good if you feel like work in home. You do not get that kind of environment like a office environment when you go to the office. So its environment is totally different. So it's good.
I agree, totally agree. But the thing is, everything has some pros and cons. When you're working from home, you can get up, you don't need to put on your official wears. You don't need to get ready. You don't need to get up early in the morning, get ready and get up and set each and everything.
Yes.
When did you start learning this language?
I was
How
started past, I can say last 3 months. Like I started in March month,
this year?
2021. Yes, 2021.
Excellent, excellent. So you have got really good fluency. And you were mentioning that you are not at all good in speaking English, but I can see you are able to express your thought clearly, and I am able to understand whatever you are conveying. Although you are making few mistakes, but it is okay. It can be considered. It is not an issue. If you pay more attention, you can overcome with these mistakes. So
Yes,
would you like?
because I can say I was practice every day with my conversation with everyone. That is why it's look like that.
I was practicing or I am practicing. If you are, saying
No,
if
no.
you,
I want to tell like this because I was practice this thing past 2 3 months.
I was practicing. If you are doing in the past tense, so you can
Okay,
say I was practicing. You can't say I was practice. I am
okay.
practicing.
I am practicing.
It means you have been practicing from this, thing started in the past and it is still, in continuation. So in this
Okay,
way, you
okay.
can say I have been practicing learning English every day.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay, yeah, please go ahead. So you were saying something, and sorry for interruption.
No, no, no. Actually, I was telling. Actually, this thing I'm doing 2 or 3 months before. That is why it's look like that. Your face telling me you're now not struggling like any kind of problem in speaking. That is why I'm telling you.
Okay. Whenever you are speaking, what I suggest you try to speak little slower so you can match the speed with your thoughts. What I can see, you have a thoughts. You want to, convey a lot of things, but you are not able because the words are not coming to your mouth, coming to your tongue. That is what, I feel because you are trying to, say you have a lot of things in your head. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
So try to, slow down your speed when you are speaking with anyone. Take your time and speak slowly. So this way you will have, extra those 2 seconds of time. So you will able to, make sentences in your head before speaking.
Okay.
Okay. So what else would you share any other thing? How I can help you?
I have problem of my grammar. So what should I do for this? Like improvement.
Well, okay. So in the very beginning, you have mentioned that you are saying your aim is to become fluent English speaker, right? Fluent in speaking English. So for
Yes.
speaking English, this is my perception. You don't need to learn grammar rules and all. You just need to know, simple things. If you are talking about past tense, you should aware that you should use was were. If you are talking about present tense, you should aware that you should use is are. This kind of things, if you are aware of this thing, you can easily speak fluently without taking pauses.
Okay.
And when it comes to learning grammar, it requires you can buy, any other any grammar book because
Okay.
I have during my school days I have learned a lot about grammar and all, but still whenever I take grammar book I feel like no man, I don't want to read grammar and all because I hate learning grammar. I know, I accept that when you are writing something, if you are drafting a message or writing an email to your superiors or any other, superior authority, you have to have a good grammar skills in order to convey your message properly by making proper
Yes.
sentences. But your goal is different, right? You are preparing, you are learning this language to become more fluent in your speaking skills.
Yes.
Listen more, that's it. Imitate whoever you like, listen to them and imitate. By listening, you will see a drastic change within a month or two. You will start speaking like whoever you like, your ideal. Do you like any actresses, actor, or cricketer? What do you
Yes.
do?
I like, but I don't like to imitate like all these things. I don't like to do.
Okay, it is one of the way to improve your speaking
Yes.
skills
Yes.
because there is a simple rule. If there is no input, there is no output. If your
Okay.
brain, if your head is empty, you cannot, uh, output. You cannot have output. If you have something, if you are, loaded your head with multiple things, then only you will be able to deliver.
Yes. Correct.
So, what do you do in your free time? How do you spend your day after coming back from home? I mean, coming back from office.
After actually, I'm everyday conversation with more people because I have YouTube channel. I created my own YouTube channel. That is why I get a more person for my subscriber, and I everyday conversation with them between 9 to 10 p.m. because of today you. That is why when I just left them because I connect with you. That is why. So
Okay, so
every day is my hobbies. I can say I conversation with more people.
okay, so it means this video is going to be uploaded on your YouTube channel.
Yes.
Wow, great. I'm so fortunate to have you. You didn't mention that you are a YouTuber as well.
I was thinking you know that. That is why I'm not mentioning you.
No, I did not know that. Just because told me your name and all, I was busy in other thing. And since this pandemic started, I am working from home. So I was in a meeting. My meeting, meeting was started at 9 o'clock, and in between meeting, Vikas again reminded me about this session. So I left the meeting and immediately connected with you.
Okay. Thank you so much for connecting me.
Yeah, yeah, my pleasure, my pleasure. You were mentioning,
So
didn't, yeah, please go ahead.
no, no. Actually, I was thinking you know that because sorry because it's know that. So I was thinking because also tell you all. That is why I was not telling you because I don't like to tell all these things. That is.
Why? Why don't you like to share that you are an YouTuber? You can proudly
I
say
don't
that.
know.
Good.
I feel shy sometimes why I'm like all this thing because I'm coming for learning, not to this kind of thing show.
It is completely fine. Alongside, you are learning and letting other people's. In short, you are inspiring other to uh, get up and start learning. You
Yes.
are motivating them, so you should feel proud.
Yeah, I don't know, but I don't want to expose all these things. Like when I came to the learning, so I just focus on the only the learning thing, not any other thing.
It is okay. So see, when you upload this video on YouTube, on your YouTube channel, people will be able to evaluate. When they evaluate your learning journey, this thing, you will feel proud. When people appreciate you, you will see, okay, I'm progressing in this language. You will uh, start loving. You will find more ways to learn
Yes.
this language. That will motivate you. So you didn't say how do you spend your day, like apart from working.
Okay. Actually, I don't get the time. I told you before also because I came after like a 10 to 7 is the office timing, my office timing. Then after 8 o'clock, I came my home. Then after 1 hour, I just take a rest. Then after 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., I, I every day connected with a different people for my English conversation. So it will be going for every day. And this thing I'm doing nowadays. Nothing, anything special. Yes.
Okay, so long story short, you are devoting more time for learning this language. That is really good.
Yes. Yes.
And
Because I was thinking only this way I can improve my skill of this English.
yeah, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. The more time you devote, more you feel confident. When you
Yes.
connect with multiple people from different states or countries, from different backgrounds, you will get to know more about them,
Yes. So
their
I want to know how
experiences.
you learn your English. Like how you learn your English. You are the like English. education taken in English medium or Hindi medium?
I have studied from English medium school, but I have never ever tried or forced to speak English.
Okay,
Even till I completed my graduation, I have never felt that, okay, I need to focus on learning this language.
okay,
In the very first interview, when I attended,
okay,
HR told me, you have completed your BCom. I am from, BCom background. So he mentioned, clearly mentioned, we were like, 20 members, and he clearly mentioned, Imtiaz, I am telling you, you have completed BCom and still you are not able tell something about yourself. Like, I was not able to give my introduction. So that day I felt humiliated. I felt insulted out of in that room. So that day I take a challenge that, okay, I am going to work on this language. That is how
okay,
the journey of this language started.
okay. So how much I can say how much time it will take for like learning this language in
It is
your side?
complete depends. It is complete depends on you how much passionate, how much enthusiastic you are. As I have,
Okay.
keep mentioning that it is all about how much time you are devoting.
Okay. Yes.
If you have a goal, if you have set a goal in your head, then you are going to work on that. That's
Yes.
it. Time is about to, the session is about to finish. So it
Yes.
was nice. It was nice talking to you, and it was really great, I guess.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so great time. Stay safe
Okay.
and keep learning. And I'm definitely going to see your YouTube channel now. As you have mentioned, you have a YouTube. So I'm going to see your YouTube videos.
Okay.
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 Okay,
Okay.
great.
Thank you.
A great time.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.